to get back the wrong. You better leave her alone. Okay. Eh, tampo que la